Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
Dear students, our today's first grammar lesson is about a and an. Both a and an mean one. A and هر دو به معنای یکی. A is used before words which start with consonant letters. A قبل از لغاتی استفاده میشه که با حروف به صدا شروع شده. For example, مثال a driver starts with D, which is a consonant letter. A cup, C, consonant. A nurse, what is N? It's also a consonant letter. And now an. An is used before words starting with a vowel letter. an قبل از لغاتی استفاده میشه که توسط حرف صدادار آغاز شود. For example, an iron. Iron starts with I, which is a vowel letter. An airplane. It starts with A. An umbrella. U is a vowel letter. That's why we have used an before it. شاگردای عزیز فراموش نکنید که یک تمرین در ارتباط با ای گرامری که همین حالا خواندیم از زمینه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید.